literally live with another Alchemy Advantage. So I'm welcoming you into my world. I walk this path 3 times a week. And due to the storm here in Connecticut, this tree trunk, I mean, look at this. This is like 2.5 feet wide, has fallen down. And it occurred to me as I looked at this is how 2020 in some ways has occurred for me. And at the Alchemy Group, like in 2.5 days, big trees fell down. Work was just evaporated off of our calendar. It felt like a storm came through and uprooted everything that we've worked for at the Alchemy Group. Now, what I've realized on my walk is that that's only half the story, because on the other side is really the story. So follow me down here, if you will. So the real story that we want to pay attention to as leaders is what has been uprooted. First of all, this is extraordinary. It's earthy, there's materials, there's resources, there's rocks, look how gigantic this opportunity has been, what's been uprooted. So it has taken us 6 months at the Alchemy Group to actually excavate and harvest what's been uprooted in 2020, and I'll tell you from my heart, it's extraordinary. I never saw this before. And when you're uprooted, be clear, something significant falls down, and it's not pretty. My question to you is, are you willing to walk to the other side? Take a look as leaders, what is possible in what's been uprooted? And as always, keep up the inspiring work.